And I miss the days where it was connected from hardware to hardware and press print. Buenos dias. Today the move is to try and empty out the trailer. I forget that it takes forever to move into a house. Keep in mind, we lived in an RV first for 3 years, then a house after we became a family of...
Like this.
Okay, like a pirate.
Wait, you need to buy me more glasses?
I will buy you another thing of glasses. Oh, I need to sit down because I have to pee again.
Mommy, can I have a bread? Mommy,
Oh, you want to use it to eat? You don't want to eat at the table? What's that?
Baby, yes.
Can we just leave
You gotta take these rocks out.
I knew you were going to say that.
Yep, and then we gotta find a designated place for it.
you're not gonna see this, Mommy.
Careful with the bike. There was one time that I smelled it. Like, I just got close to the thing and I smelled it. They stink. Yeah, we're trying to... One of those, like, little spotlight lamps. What it's... I want to get little spotlights for up here. That's funny. Yeah.
They'll probably match.
So we are pretty much done for today. I feel like I've gotten some pretty good progress done in the house. So at this point, we are cozy and we are ready to sit down, decompress, and watch The Chosen. So buenas noches. I will see you tomorrow.
And I'm like, what are you doing here? But her novelas start at 10 and
She can't stay up that late.
Baby girl, I was out. I didn't even.
That's mine.
Thank you, Mika.
That's mine.
Baby. Buenos dias. So I actually got no sleep last night. I did not take the time over the weekend to reset. Obviously, I was in St. Augustine, but I didn't take the time Monday or yesterday to really organize my week. So all night long, I kept waking up like, I feel like I have something I'm supposed to be doing. I don't know what it is. Today, I'm dropping off the kids at my mom's. She's going to take them to camp, and then Edward and I have a meeting at 10. Poppy. Alright, I actually have to put this. And we're back. Lots to think about. We're still processing. I don't know, this is scary. I feel like I'm giving up control of homeschool, and that's not necessarily what I want to do, but also I need the help. Cheesy. I'm trying to set up my printer. It's wireless, and this is so annoying. If you have a wireless printer, let me know. This is so annoying to me because everything has to go through like an app, and you have to go through all these like configurations. And I miss the days where it was connect it from hardware to hardware and press print. This thing says that I need to change the ink, right? But I'm pretty sure, oh no, yo los compré, yo no se lo cambié. But how do I know, huh? Yay, I feel so productive. So I'm posting my content video, which by the time that this video goes out, it should already be out. So if you're struggling to create content as a busy mom, I created this video specifically for you. So go and check it out. It's going to be extremely helpful. This is my list right here. And it looks long, it's really not. Posting my video on YouTube. An IG story I have to do. I did my morning journaling. Edward made me coffee, set up my workstation. I gotta pick up the kids in half an hour. And then the rest of the day is editing. Look at that. My toxic trait is if I stay home too long, I will find a reason why I should change. Having a dedicated CEO workspace is vital to your productivity. As creatives, we tend to be highly visual, and when we have a space that aesthetically really aligns to who we are and inspires us and excites us, it makes it so much easier for us to get through our workflow because we're in a space that we're comfortable in. This is our safe space. This is where we can create. This is where we can execute to the highest standard. And since having set this up, I have been more productive in just a couple of days than I feel like I have been in the last few weeks.